Traditionally, unskilled labor is work that requires little or no formal education or training to complete. While this was limiting in the past for job seekers, the advent of the internet and the gig economy changed the game. Now, it's not only possible to find opportunities to make money with no skills, it's easy. To be clear, when we talk about skills, we're talking about diplomas, certifications, and experience. If you don't have any of those things yet, it doesn't mean you're any less capable than someone who does. It just means you haven't checked some boxes society often expects. And let's be honest, just because a job doesn't require a degree doesn't mean that it's easy. If you want to make extra money with an unskilled side hustle or a full-time gig, you need to be ready to learn and put in the effort. I have compiled a list of such jobs that require no special skill sets and zero to little training to perform. So here are 10 simple ways to earn money online. But before we move on with the video, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. Number 10. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the original online money makers, and it's still going strong. A carefully crafted blog that serves a particular niche is a valuable commodity and can allow you to contribute your unique voice to a subject that you're passionate about. Bloggers earn revenue through affiliate marketing, the process of partnering with brands for a cut of any purchases you're able to facilitate with your content. Once your blog has a proven following, you can sell ad space and earn each time someone clicks on an ad and buys something. To get to that point, you need to drive traffic to your blog. While high-quality content is always the first step, it might not be enough. Number 9. Sell stuff on eBay or Craigslist. A quick way to make money from home is to sell the stuff you already have. For example, if you have a closet full of lightly used clothes or a basement full of old LPs, you can get them listed on popular platforms like eBay and Craigslist. Of course, it isn't exactly a sustainable model to sell your stuff. Eventually, you'll run out of product, and this is where you can start to get a little savvy. Once you have a bit of startup cash, you can browse the same platforms for undervalued items. Craigslist, in particular, is known for low-cost or free items, which you can claim, spruce up a bit, and flip for a profit. You can also check out local tag sales and book fairs and try to find some gems. If you go this route, you need to think about your overhead. Selling items online comes with packaging and shipping costs, so be sure to keep your overall costs in mind to ensure that you're turning a profit. Number 8. Start a YouTube channel. If you want to monetize your creativity, one of the best ways to get yourself out there is to start your own YouTube channel. Whether you want to make comedy videos, workout tutorials, or walkthroughs for video games, YouTube is the place to do it. Of course, YouTube isn't the quickest way to start earning real money. To make your channel attractive to potential ad partners, you need to build up your subscribers to prove that you're reaching an engaged audience. This is where your own unique skill set comes into play. There are millions of channels to compete with, and you need to find a way to command attention. Number 7. Become a data entry operator. Data entry jobs are simple and easy for beginners to start a career in. As a data entry operator, you might be expected to do several tasks, which might include typing a set of data into a spreadsheet and transcribing PIF or image files into Microsoft Word. The scope of work for data operators is endless. Based on the relative ease of the job, data entry jobs start at a low rate of $3, $4 on freelancing websites. However, as your experience and reputation grow, you will find better opportunities that can pay anywhere from $10 and more. Number 6. Work as a customer service assistant. In 2020, two big trends are about to collide: e-commerce and social media. In a report named Why Conversation is the Future of Commerce, Facebook has revealed that over 35% of Americans have messaged a business regarding a purchase. As e-commerce grows at an unprecedented rate, especially during this lockdown, buyers are eager to learn more about the businesses they deal with before making a purchase. This means that there is more room for customer query managers who can answer questions timely and generate sales with excellent customer service. Number 5. Get hired as a virtual assistant. Are you personable, tech-savvy, and a great communicator? Then get hired as a virtual assistant. You can try any number of websites that hire virtual assistants such as Virtualant, 24/7's Virtual Assistant, or Freelancer. A virtual assistant's job description could entail a wide range of jobs, including data entry, scheduling your client's calendar, flight and hotel tickets, and any other task that your client needs help finishing. The important thing here is to understand that you will be working closely with your client, and you need to ensure that you can work around his or her calendar. This does take out a lot of flexibility from your work schedule, but on the bright side, VAs earn a more stable paycheck. Number 4. Work as a translator. I know I promised to list jobs that require no additional skills, but if you're one of the 20% of Americans who know a second language, then translation jobs are too good an opportunity for me to not include in this list. Bilinguals can take advantage of the millions of working opportunities as English teachers for non-native speakers, transcribers, or even stay-at-home call center operators. Number 3. Fill up online surveys. Businesses, researchers, and government agencies use surveys to understand their customers and constituents better. This often requires acquiring real-time survey results very fast. That's where survey sites come in. You can register yourself as a survey taker and earn anywhere from $1–3 per form on these websites. However, be warned, taking online surveys might be a quick way to earn money. It will not make you rich. Treat this opportunity as more of a side hustle in addition to your current job, or one of many side hustles you could be doing online. Number 2. Try copy trading. Trading currencies, stocks, and options can be scary, and rightfully so. It takes a lot of training, reading up on the mechanics of free markets, and keeping up to date with the latest news to understand the ups and downs of the market. But there is a way to trade safely without becoming a stock market savant: copy trading. So what is copy trading? The idea behind copy trading is simple. Instead of picking your stocks and assets to place your investments in, use social trader tools to find expert traders whose trade you can copy. So if an expert you chose allocates 1% of his investment in an Apple stock, you'd also have 1% of your investment directed towards the same stock. Number 1. Get paid to test websites. Web designers often use focus groups to test the functionality of their websites. If you can follow simple instructions and navigate through a website, then website testing can be for you. But before you begin, here is what to expect. Web designers design websites for general people like you and me and want to ensure that everyone is comfortable with the website. Also, thanks to advanced testing tools, designers can study your behavior to find out how they can maximize clicks and sales by changing certain elements within the website. So it is only natural that companies and designers pay their target audience to test out their websites. That's it from this video. Let us know what you think about this video in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video, please like it and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.